Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Tuesday, July 25th, 2023. So the Bulls just continue to skip through the graveyard. Zero concerns at all. And like I said, there's everybody's pretty much bullish this market right now, and it's like beating a dead horse. I'm not quite sure what is going to be the catalyst, but when it is, we really are going to see everybody rushing for that same exit door, and it's not possible for everybody to get out. And that's when we'll see some panic selling. And like I said, it could be the Fed tomorrow that tries to put a lid on this stuff. I'm not sure. I don't know what it's going to be, but it's going to be something. Just because right now we're just it's not sustainable. Meaning that when you have the Fed going one way and the market going the other, it's a meaning that the Fed's raising rates and the markets, are heading higher. A lot of people are anticipating that this is going to be the last one and they're looking ahead. But if they're looking ahead and the Fed comes out and says that they're not stopping raising rates because, the core inflation, it's like as I mentioned in the morning notes today, was that a big piece of it was the energy. Gas prices had gone down, and fuel is, so when looking at the WTI and NCL, that get oil's gonna is about to start going back up again, and if it does, you're gonna see inflation back into the 6-7% again. So, I'm not really, I'm definitely missing what they're seeing, but it is what it is, and the Bulls continue to, try to press the tape higher, and I don't think I don't know what they're gonna say to get them more bulled up because, like I said, I mean, the type of move that we've seen with it's kind of it's a type of move that happens when we have Fed that's actively cutting rates and putting money into the system, not taking money out of it and cutting it. So, it's gonna reality is gonna have to kick in, but right now it hasn't. So this was the test of the highs. I had said that if the Bulls can get above this the 45 54 level, probably we have to anticipate that happening. That happened. So we can see the important really support line that the Bulls need to the Bears need to get through. This was the resistance. They held it. So now it's support. It bounced off of there. So this is the first important line. It's going to be the 45.27. If the Bulls can do that, then we're going to be looking at a move down to the 4,500 level and then closing these gaps. Even we had the S&P that was up some 20 points at one point. We did get a little bit of selling towards the end. We still have bearish divergences on the 15-minute chart. We have massive bearish divergences on the 60-minute chart, and we have bearish divergences on the daily chart. So these, they're not going to be able to ignore them for that long, but they have definitely done it a lot longer than I expected. And right now, it's a the pattern that probably best fits this right here is it's. I've been showing a larger bearish wedge, but this one probably fits a little bit better, and it's really kind of the same thing. Where we're going. Hang on one second. I hate when this happens. Okay, so here you can see that we have this trend line right here. And if we take this and just kind of move it up, you can see this wedge, and this is looking for a move coming down to the 4,000. So I originally had it coming from here, but obviously we kind of broke out of that. So the overall thing, expectation is that these wedges and these gaps are going to get filled, and it's more they're I believe they're just weighing down on the patience of the Bears here, but I think most of them are out of this market. So either it's going to be earnings, which I do not believe is going to be able to kickstart this thing, because I don't believe the economy is in any type of shape to be for earnings, corporate earnings to be going up. But in any case, if the Bulls are going to continue higher, really the next we have the 4600 level and then the 4630. On the downside, the major support is down at this 4300. But as I showed you on the other charts, this is the important first line in the sand that the Bears need to get through. If they do, you can see we don't really have any price support till we get down to the 4450. So this is important. And each time we came down here, we're seeing the Bulls step in and try and hold things up. So it's working right now. There's really not much more to add to this. We have to just wait and see what happens with the Fed decision tomorrow. Like I said, I'm not sure what they're going to be able to say to surprise the Bulls and get them even to buy more, but we'll see what plays out. So with that, have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.